Let's see this girl. She just focus on her phone and throwing the trash wrong side, then she go away. This man is the same. He's having a phone and also throwing wrong side. Kick the trash bag for fun, then go ahead. But this little girl is different. After she saw the trash bag put at wrong side, she bent down and picked them up and put in the trash. Let's see how she picked the trash up and put them in the trash. Although she is very tiny, but her environmental protection is better than the adults. A bright smile appeared and slowly walked away. Joking with the others is fun, but her actions for the blind deserves to be condemned. She doesn't this actions, it's not fun. This girl is goodness. She led the blind in right way, and immediately get the bricks to right side. Although the bricks is heavy, she still tries to move it to the right place. We can see how important the education make children become goodness or not. This boy is a garbage collector. He earns one's living by collecting discarded bottle. While working, he sees money falling next to the car. He picks up the money and says with the man in car, "Is this the money you dropped?" The man checks the pocket. "Thank you," the man said. "Can you give that water bottle?" "Here you are. This is my welcome." "Can I have that cake too? I'm hungry." "Sure, no problem. Take and eat." After he left, the man sees the bag that boy forgot. "Hey boy, you forgot your bag, come back and take it." After took water and cake, boy go back and give his sister. His little sister was very hungry, bites a big piece of the cake. "Why don't you eat?" "I ate." "Eat more, you are very hungry." The man saw. He returned his car and take some things. It is some food and water and lots of money. He wants the children have good meals. After taking, he gives the gift to children. They are poor, but the kids still happy and love each other. The man goes back and give 2 bags for the brother. "Here you are, keep it. You are good boy. Thank you very much. We are very happy."